Hello friends, my name is Mayank and today I am going to talk about Tableau software. Tableau is basically a software used for data visualization and data analytics. Any kind of data that you want to analyze, whether it's be your business or for some company, it is a very useful tool for analytics and visualization. It shows the data in very simplified and fantastic manner. So here is the link when you open for downloading Tableau. I will provide this link in the description box, so please go and check out there. I have already downloaded Tableau and let's see how it looks like. So it looks like this, and when you open it, its interface appears something like this. So it imports various types of data files like Excel, text, JSON, PDF, and so on. It can also connect to several data servers. But to start, we will begin with an Excel file. I'll also provide the sample data Excel file link in the description box. So here is an Excel file we will open. So Excel file, as you all know, is a tabular format of data available. The very good thing of Tableau is that it just reads the data so nicely that it interprets the data type of the column, and if it is a region it identifies, if it is a number it identifies, if it is a string it is a date, everything it identifies and it gives to us. So here we have three tables, so we will only work with first table today. So let's go and drag it over here. So we are loading our table. So as you see, our table is loaded. Here it shows there are several number of columns. All the column names appear here, and while some sample data from our table appears here, as we have lots of data here, we can customize what sample size we want to see for our data. Right? We can type out here. So it has all such. As you see here, we have row ID. It is a number, so it is showing in numeric form. Order ID is an alphabetic, so it is showing like this. Order date is of course a date, so it is showing that it is a date format. The ship ID and so on. We also have country, city, state, and postal codes. They are, as we all know, a region or a region specifying on map, so it is automatically identifying that this is a region or a country of on the map on the globe. So, and here again we have sales, quantity, discounts, and profits. So these are all again a numbers. So let's get started. We will work in our sheet. This is just an overview board where we can see our data. So as we go to the sheet, it loads all our data into the sheet, and our columns are basically divided here as you see in this is called a data pane. Here as you see our columns are basically divided into two types, uh, columns and that are dimensions. These that appear in blue are called dimensions, and that appear in green are called measurables. So dimensions are generally qualitative, and dimensions are qualitative, and measures are quantitative. We can measure quantities that are measurables, and dimensions that are qualitative. We cannot measure them, but they are different, so we can work on them. So today let's simply work on how this works. This is our area where our graph will appear. This is our marks area. Here different types of work that we can do, I will show as we move further. So let's simply see today how simple it is to create a chart in our Tableau software. So as we to drag our column to create a table, we have to click and drag it over there. So we can generally compare two quantities, that is one measurable and one dimension. This is most popular. We can easily compare them. So for starting, I'll start with one measure and one dimension. So as you see, when I pull this discount to the rows, it just creates a graph. It is such a simple software. So moving further, I'll teach you how. how to explore more about this Tableau. See you in the next video. Till then, install Tableau and install the sample database. Load it on your Tableau, and I'll meet you tomorrow.